Your silent button is not working. What to do now? I will tell you one solution. First of all, you have to check now. Your silent button is not working. I will tell you. You can see silent mode off, silent mode on, silent mode off. But you have to go in setting and you have to go in sounds and habits, okay, and change this button. This option is enable, okay. You have to check this option is enable, should enable, because of this button is not enable, then this button is not work. First of all, if your silent button is damaged, totally damaged, then you have to do one thing. You should go there and you will get one button for volume increase and decrease. You have to decrease lower for silent and you have to increase for some volume for full volume, to these types. I hope you understand properly and get your solutions.